Job of the day. I'm gonna do another JLG drop deck trailer. Do bearings. He said he put this driver's side hub on and it's super tight. He was having issues with it, so I'm gonna tear it down, make sure everything's good. Fix it if it needs to be fixed. But I think the lights on this one actually work. We got good marker lights. Yep, good marker lights driver's side front. Good marker lights on the rear, yes. Left turn? Left turn's good. Right turn? Right turn's good. Back to marker lights. Yep, yep. And marker lights in the front right here. Not working. See if it's just the plug. Yep, it's just the plug. Where is it? There it is. See if the light works. Yep, and the light works. Oh, go in there, please. All lights work. Let's just do bearings and check its hub. Grease looks good in this. Probably don't need to do bearings at all on this side. Let's see. Brakes? Got no brakes. All right, let's see what's going on. Hub does not want to come off, so we're gonna force it off. There we go. I think I popped it. There we go. Come on out, buddy. There we go. Popped off. Oh, what happened? Goofy. Oh, brakes on backwards. Okay, so I just need to swap that. That's a good brake. Brand new. Okay, brakes on backwards. I need to put a new brake on it. The wire on it got broke, so that's obviously why it doesn't work. That's seized on there and it won't come off, so I need to pull that off. All right, that inner bearing is on there, so I need to persuade it somehow to get it off. Magnet clip came out. I don't know where it went, so I'm gonna throw a new magnet clip in there, but I'm gonna cut the outside of this bearing off and then be able to get this backing plate off, and then I can get to the inner portion of this bearing. All right, I got the inner portion of the bearing off. I don't know why it was on there so tight. Like it should just go on with a hand. Wonder if it's just a bad spindle. Sand down the spindle a little bit and then try and get a new bearing on there. There you go. I just sanded some high spots and inner portion of the bearing is going on better now. Probably sanded a little bit higher. There's just some sections on this spindle that are high. I think I got it though. Yeah, perfect. I did get it. Cool. I'll go pack the hub and put the correct side backing plate on. All right, got the backing plate fasteners on. These washers on the JLGs always go behind the backing plate, and then these nuts go to secure the backing plate on. So make sure if you're ever changing one of these trailers out, that washer's on the back of the backing plate. All right, I got a new backing plate on. It is on the correct side. This trailing arm, or this arm for the brake actuation, is going towards the front of the trailer. Magnet goes towards the ground. I did find a loose bolt that holds the assembly on, so I'm going to tighten that. Oh, come on. Easier if I just use the correct side for the correct thing. There we go. All right, assembly is tight. Good. That was the only loose bolt that I saw. Everything else is good. I'm packing hub and putting this side on, then I'll tear down the other side. Oh, and I wired up his brake and shrunk wrap everything and zip tied so it's out of the way. I got passenger side off. Brakes work, but they do need to be adjusted. Off and free spinning. All right, this backing plate looks good. Magnet looks good. The hub looks great. It is starting to slightly rub on this, so I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna tuck these wires in and make sure that doesn't happen, because it looks like it just got long for some reason and it's gonna rub on the back of the hub. So just need to tuck it. Passenger side brakes adjusted, hub is on, new bearings, new seals, new grease. Putting the cotter key on right now. Cotter key is on. And go to the other side. Driver's side hub is on. Installing cotter key. Cotter key is on. Brake is adjusted. Everything sounds great. Let's see if it works. Dust cap on. Driver's side free spinning. Brake is on. Brake is locked up. Brake is off. Brake is free spinning. Let's go to the other side, check that. Oh, dust cap is on. Free spinning. Brake's on. Brake's locked up. Brake's off. Brake free spinning. Perfect. Going through lights again. I got good markers. Good marker driver side rear. Good marker driver side or passenger side. 3-way light bar is not working. I'll see what's that about. Left turn works. Right turn works. I replugged in this passenger side front. That works. Let's see what's going on with that 3-way light bar. Don't care. All right, that thing's getting power, but it's not turning on. I found where it's connected, and it does have power to it. So I'll put that on my list as well. But other lights that are the most important work for them. This trailer's done. It is time for torque and lug nuts, driver side and passenger side. This little plug did not have the fasteners. When I took it out of my tester, everything just came apart. So I pirated another one, and I don't need to change this plug out. I just need to put some fasteners on this thing. So that's nice and tight for them. Probably should loosen that again and put the front plug in first. There we go, nice and tight. Set screw is on and in. Big old set screw is tight. New plug, but not a new plug. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next. What a solid day of work. I got that gooseneck over there finished. I got these two finished. I got a list of the stuff that's wrong with them, and I'm gonna come back out and do it. I got that dump trailer over there. That's the last one that I need to do for them. And I'm going home.